Without knowing one's own situation, how can one speak of another's? And yet, like a foolish father, telling his son whatever comes to mind, lovingly I say this, may you consider it always. The tradition of the lineage is like the banks of a divine river, kept too by those of fortune as they avoid the roots, suggested by the misleading words of the deceiving masses. Hold to your own place and position and cast away conceit. When cherished philosophical ideas enter your mind, they are hard to undermine, and you'll hold yourself in high regard. Eventually, with no result, you and others too will be like children roaming in a desert. You might boast, but all will be clear in the faces of those you meet. If the blazing fire is not extinguished by the wind, at 35 hindrances will clear, and you'll uphold your own lineage tradition. Let go of various thoughts and adopt the discipline of a mendicant, following in the footsteps of the Vedaras.